wake up. I wake up in the morning and just kind of, I look up. What the heck? What is that?
What is that?
Is that a granola bar on my ceiling fan? Who would put a granola bar on my ceiling fan? So.
Maybe me.
Maybe you? Did you do that?
Yeah.
Why? In case you got hungry later, huh?
Yeah.
Aww. You got pretty eyes. They're like green. So why'd you put the granola bar on the ceiling fan?
Because I will get hungry in Mommy's and Daddy's room.
Because you might get hungry in Mommy and Daddy's room.
Yeah.
Do you think Daddy put the granola bar up there?
No.
Why are you picking your nose? Don't pick your... No. No. Hey, do you know it's Thanksgiving?
We did go sweet. Now it's time to go Grammy's house.
Yes. Yep.
First, Grammy's house.
Yes. Then
you have to go home and take a rest again. And go to Grandma's house.
Yes.
And play with Brayden.
Yeah. Do you like Brayden?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I love you. Keep these towards the ceiling fan. There's a motor.
Yep. Do you know what kind of ceiling fan that is?
It's 200 Widow 10. That's it towards the ceiling fan.
Okay. What other kind of ceiling fans are there?
Maybe downstairs.
What one do we have downstairs in the dining room? Is that a Winston?
Just a 98 little 10.
98 little 10?
Yeah.
Okay. You have to show me.
And one in the kitchen, that's a Hunter fan.
A Hunter fan. You know all the different types of fans. That's crazy.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bye.
Bye.